Welcome to Block of the Month by the Quilting Company. This lesson will be about the final assembly of your quilt. Hi, I'm Jenny K. Parks. You're here to learn the final assembly of Winter Cheer Block of the Month, so let's get started. To assemble the quilt center, lay out blocks 7 through 10 and join to make the center. Add border 1 to the sides, top, and bottom of the center. Do the same thing for border 2. To assemble border 3, join blocks 1 through 6 to make the border 3 strips. Add border 4 to the sides, top, and bottom. Follow the same steps for borders 5 through 7. Layer, baste, and quilt as desired. Congratulations, you have a beautiful quilt to enjoy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Winter Cheer Block of the Month, designed by Denise Russell, is brought to you by Riley Blake Fabrics, celebrating 10 years of providing high-quality fabrics to inspire and create.